Hi everyone. In today's video, I'm going to be explaining the T-Mobile fiber internet, including its speed, pricing, availability, and whether it is actually worth getting in 2026. So if you are thinking about switching your home internet and you want to understand how this service actually works, make sure that you watch this video till the very end. So without further delay, let's get straight into it. So the T-Mobile fiber internet is a high-speed home internet service that uses fiber optic cables instead of the wireless signals. The fiber technology is known for delivering very fast and stable internet connections, which makes it very ideal for the streaming, gaming, the video calls, and working from home. One of the biggest advantages of fiber internet is systematic speed. It means that your download speed and your upload speed can be very similar, which helps with the tasks like uploading the videos, sending the large files, or the cloud backup. Depending on the area, T-Mobile fiber plans can offer gigabit level speeds, which are much faster than many traditional cable services. This allows multiple devices in the home to stay connected without slowing down the network. In terms of pricing, T-Mobile usually tries to keep the plans very simple and transparent, and often offering straightforward monthly pricing without any complicated bundles. You can check the pricing out by using this particular link. So over here you can see the fiber 500 Mbps is going to cost you $55 every single month. Then they have fiber 1 gigabits, which is going to cost to $65, and they also have fiber 2 gig, which is going to cost to $70 per month. So if you want to check out the benefits of each and every plan, you can click on this drop down menu and take a look at it. If you want to check the eligibility, simply click on the option of check eligibility option, and then you can see if the T-Mobile services is available in your area or not. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.